Good morning children and welcome back in our science world. In previous video we started our semester 2nd syllabus from our 7th lesson our body. In that lesson we can discuss about the cell, tissue, organ and organ system. Here we discussed 8 organ system and for example we can learn about the respiratory system, reproductive system, digestive system and the excretory system and nervous system. So overall we discuss 8 organ system. Today we start our 8th lesson, that is the be alert, be safe. So children, you can open your textbook and see which part I will read, and you also put your fingers on that sentence. Accidents are sudden and unaccepted events that often end up in injury, death or damage of property. Accidents can occur anywhere or at any point in time and are mostly due to the carelessness of the persons involved. Now children, I will explain this part. Now accident. Accident means what? You know when the accident can happen, or on which road can accident happen, or on which timing the accident can happen. No one can know when the accident can happen. Means an accident is an unplanned event which can cause the personal injury or illness, even the death also. So Nona, and the accident can happen anywhere, means it can happen on road, in home, then anywhere. It can happen in school also, in playground, on playground also, or anywhere. Accident can happen anywhere. Now I tell some accident. In science laboratory, because of the explosion, it is accident. And fallen down from the ladder, it is accident. And sometime in animal sanctuary, some animals can harm you, and sometimes some tablets are a poisoning, and sometimes some heavy things which are falls on you, it can happen accident. And when the people can fight with each other, it is also one of the type of a accident. So the accident can happen anywhere and anytime. Now I show one video which can shows how the accident can happen. See, one train is coming nearer and the people can see, but they can pass the track and the accident will happen. It happened because of the people carelessness. Got now how why the accident can happen? Now I read the next one. Safety rules at home. You must not handle sharp and pointed objects like knives, blades, scissors, needles and pins, especially in the absence of an elder. Do not play near the gas stove. Do not disturb the person who is cooking. Do not touch hot vessels. Third one, do not handle matchsticks, candles or firecrackers on your own. Fourth one, do not touch electric plugs, switches or appliances with wet hands. You may get an electrical shock. Fifth one, do not run or play on the staircase. Sixth one, do not take any medicine on your own without a doctor prescription or in the absence of an elder. Seventh one, do not leave things like your school bags, water bottles, compass or toys on the floor. Someone might trip over them. If you have used a stool to reach a high shelf, make sure it is a strong or sturdy. Now children, I will explain about this para. Now to avoid the accident at home, you must follow some safety rules at home. A home is the safest place for children. But accident can happen anywhere. So accident can happen in home also. So to avoid these accident, we must follow some safety rules at home. If you follow the safety rules, you can avoid the accident. Now which one? First one, Don't handle any sharp or pointed objects like needle, scissors, and pins without your parents' presence, because these things can causes harm to you. And so don't touch any sharp objects because it can harm your body parts. Now the next one is you can children play outside the kitchen. Don't play inside the kitchen, because in kitchen there is a presence of hot and inflammable things, and these hot and inflammable things can very dangerous to you and they can cause the harm. So don't play inside the kitchen, and you don't disturb your mother when your mother is cooking the food. Got na children? Why you don't play inside the kitchen? You can play outside the kitchen or in playground. Now you don't touch any hot vessels. You don't touch any hot vessels because these vessels are very hot. If you touch the hot vessel, it can burn your hands. If you want anything, tell your mother bring that. Next one, you don't touch any electrical appliances, because when you touch the electrical appliances with wet hands, it can cause the electrical shock. So don't touch any electrical appliances with wet hands because we may get an electrical shock. Now the next one, children, walk slowly on a staircase. Don't run on a staircase. If you run fast, you can slips down. So don't run on a staircase. And you can keep the all things in a correct place. When you came from the school, you can keep your tiffin bag, school bag in a correct place. Now the next one, that is you don't take any tablets or medicines without your doctor's prescription. I know you know some tablets or syrups which can taken in fever, cold, but without doctor prescription, you don't take any tablets. If your mother or father or anyone is present in your home, when they say, then you can take the tablets, but without their presence, you don't take the tablets. Now the next one is, if you want anything which is on a high shelf, then you can use a strong and sturdy stool. See in the picture, if you take the table which is not strong, then you can falls down. So children, you can first of all check the table is a strong and sturdy, then you can stand on that stool or table and take whatever you want. So you got now? These are the safety rules at home. Now I read next one. Safety rules at school. We spend a major part of our day at school. It is therefore very important to remember and follow safety rules in a school too. Safety rules in the classroom. First one, do not run around in the classroom or in the corridors. Second one, do not bend out of the window. Third one, do not climb on the class benches, tables and chairs. Do not touch any electrical gadgets. Fifth one, use a sharpener and not a blade to sharpen your pencils. Sixth one, keep your school bags and lunch bags in the right place. Now I explain this part. Now the second one, that is the safety rules at school. Because the lots of time we will spend in school, so we must follow the safety rules at school, because accident can happen anywhere in school also. Now first one, do not run along the corridors. Do not run. Children, you do every time. You run in the classroom, corridors, and it will happen accident. So don't run along the corridors. Next one, avoid pushing or kicking each other while in the line. Whenever you want to go washroom or in tiffin bell, you don't push each other because what happened by mistake, you will falls down. So don't push each other or kick each other. Now the next rule, that is you can use a sharpener to sharpen the pencil. Don't use the knives. Next one, you can keep the all things in a proper place, which is away from the electrical appliances like computer or switchboard. Next one, whenever in your class there is a no teacher, you maintain the silence. Don't make the class noisy, and don't stand on a desk. By mistake, if you falls down from the desk, you will hurt. So don't stand on a desk. So children, here we completed the half lesson. The remaining lesson we will discuss in the next video. So I will say the summary of this video number 1. So first of all, we learned about the accident. Accident can happen anywhere, anytime. Okay, accidents are unplanned events. Now next one, we learned about how we will avoid the accident or safety rules. First of all, the safety rules at home. So safety rules, first one is you don't handle any sharp or pointed things like knives, needles or pins, because these things can injure us. Second one, you don't touch any hot vessels. Third one, you don't play inside the kitchen, because in kitchen there is a presence of some hot and inflammable things. Next one, don't touch any electrical appliances with wet hands, because we may get an electrical shock. Don't run or play on the staircase. Next one, don't take any medicines without doctor prescription or in absence of your parents. Then if you want anything which is on a high shelf, then use a strong and sturdy table. After that, we discussed about the safety rules at school. The first rule, that is you don't run in a corridor or classroom. Second one, don't climb on class benches, tables and chairs. Third one, don't touch any electrical gadget, and keep your all things in a correct place, which is away from the electrical appliances. And use a sharpener, and don't use the blade or any other sharp things to sharpen your pencil. Then next one, you maintain silence when the teacher is not inside the class. And don't stand on chairs or tables. So these are some safety rules at school which can avoid the accident. Now the remaining lesson we will discuss in our next video. Thank you children.